Because we know that when we are just going to have, is my voice is audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if, because we know that if we are just going to have, like for example, blood group A has IA and IO, and it can be IA and IA. Okay. So this is heterozygous and this is homozygous. Likewise, blood group B can be IB, IO, and IB, IB. But O blood group is always IO, IO. Okay. So if the father is going to have homozygous A, IA, IA, and mother is going to have O, then the daughter is not going to have this crossbreed IA, IA, IO, IA, IO, and here is IA, IO. Okay, so the mother, here we will see that the daughter is not going to have blood group O. So in this case, a man with blood group A marries a woman with blood group O, and your daughter has a blood group O. Is this information enough to tell you that the trait is dominant or recessive? No. Why? Because it can be, na? We don't know, okay, which trait is dominant or not. For example, I can explain you here with another example also. Let first, let consider this one. For example, here is also, for example, if we have here, mother is going to have O blood group, so this will be IO, and father is going to have IO, homozygous, heterozygous A. So for heterozygous A, she is going to have IA and IO, IA and IO. So when this multiplied, you will get IA and IO, okay, then IO, then IO. Got it? So here we think that both of them in this condition, this is A blood group, this is A blood group, but this is O blood group. Sorry, this is she will be going to have IO. Okay, uh, this is IO, both this and this one is IO. So here 50% is blood group A, chances of 50% is blood group A, 50% O. So we cannot say here. Okay, just imagine this can be also explained by using another example also. Let me explain you with the another example. Okay, just a minute. Let's have another example. Just a minute. Is the screen is visible to you now? No. Okay. So here we can say, for example, in the case when Mendel is going to have capital T, and capital T in a small t, okay? So when he is going to cross with homozygous, so he got first capital T, and another capital T, then capital T, and then capital T, small t. So here we can say that tall is dominant over dwarf. But in case if Mendel have capital T, heterozygous tall, and small t, then he will have capital T, and capital T, and here and here small t. So here they will give 50% chances of tall. The two plants are tall and two plants are dwarf. Okay, two plants are dwarf. So in that case, we will see here that this 50% chance for the tall plant and 50% chance for the dwarf plant. Okay, got it? So here we it means the trait is not enough. Means if the child is going to have 50% means father is going to have A blood group and child is going to have O blood group. So if she is going to have O blood group, so we cannot say that which is dominant and not, because if she got means only a single trait cannot tell you whether it is which is dominant and which is not, because we don't have the intermediate blood group. Okay, so we cannot say that who is dominant or not. Okay, got it? Understood this one? Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Will you be able to write this one in your own words? And we have written this one in your copy also. Okay, we have written this one in your copy also.
Sir,
Yes.
so in biology we have the lesson our environment, right?
Yes. Yes, we have that lesson, and we'll provide you the notes and we'll give you a class for that one also, if you want to study that one. Or will you able to study it by your own?
Sir, can you teach?
So actually you want me to teach you that chapter. Okay, it will take time for me. Means first of all we will just prepare this one. Okay, we'll teach you that one also. Okay, it's not a difficult chapter. Got it? We'll teach you that one. So here in the question number 30, what should be the answer for question number 30? Read the question number 30. Madhya, read the question number 30. Everyone. So name the plant Mendel used for his experiment, and what type of progeny was obtained by F1 generation and F2 generation when he crossed tall and short plant. Okay. And what is the ratio he obtained in F2 generation of this plant? Tell me.
Plant is pea plant.
Hmm?
Pea plant, a mental
Yes,
is
it is pea plant. It is pea plant. What type of progeny obtained in F1 generation? Madhya and Jaslin, why are you not responding? Are you there in the class? Only Jobita is going to answer the questions. Are you there?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So please turn on your camera. Let me see you. Madhya, are you there?
So in this device I'm using, the camera isn't working. I'll join from a different device.
No, no, it's okay. And you, Madhya, are you there? Yes, I'm coming back. Let me call the team to call her. Just a minute. Do question number 30 and answer me the question 30.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Here we have. So we can say that the plant is pea plant. Okay. And what type of progeny was obtained by Mendel in F1 in F2 generation? So in F1 generation, he got all the tall plants, and in F2 generation, he got for every four plant, she got, tell me, for every four plant she got,
Tall plants.
hmm?
Tall plants.
Or flat.
Yes. So in F1 generation, we can say that for every, yes, she got out of four, every three plants were tall and one plant was dwarf. Okay. And write the ratio in F2 generation, this 3:1. Got it? Will you be answer this question?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me, will you be able to answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 32. How is equal contribution of male and female parent ensured the progeny? Ensured in the progeny. How is equal contribution of male and female parent ensured the progeny? Okay. First question. First discuss question number. Let's discuss question number 33. Then we will go to question number 32. And those slides, different slides. Okay. So here we have how many pairs of chromosomes are present in human beings? How many pairs of chromosomes are present?
23.
23 pairs. Okay. Out of how many are sex chromosomes? One pair.
22.
One
One.
pair. 22 pairs are autosomes. Autosomes. Okay. How many types of sex chromosomes are found in human beings? Two types. X and Y.
Y.
Two types. Got it? So here the question is, how is equal genetic contribution of male and female parent ensured in the progeny? So how will you write this answer? Tell me. So let me share this one and let answer this question, that how equal progeny. Okay, just so here we have question that how equal genetic contribution, how equal genetic contribution of male and female parent ensures in the progeny. In the progeny means offspring. Okay. So you know that what you know. Actually, you know that when we have male and female. Okay. So in males we have 44 autosomes, or we can say that total number of chromosomes are 46 chromosomes, and we have here is also 46 chromosomes. This is the okay when this is the normal human beings chromosomes. Okay, normal cell chromosome. Okay, and this is also normal cells chromosome. Okay, which we call somatic cells. Okay, somatic cells. Okay, but you need to understood this one, that when they divides actually, okay, they are going to have 23 pairs, or we can say 23 are present, 23 chromosomes are present in the gametes. 23 chromosomes are present in the gametes. Okay, in the male gametes and the female gametes. 23 chromosome in the okay in the female gametes. Okay, so when they fuse together again, they will gives you for 23 plus 23 46 chromosomes, and it is zygote which is diploid in nature, okay, and this 23 chromosomes and this chromosome. Okay, so we can say here that 23 chromosome here and 23 chromosome here, they fuse together, they form 46 chromosome zygotes. Okay, so here we can write the answer. With this explanation, you need to do in the paper also. And how can you write this answer? Tell me. So what words you will use here? Madiha, are you there? Madiha, Jaslyn,
Yes, sir.
and Jovita.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Madiha, what is this that you are saying? Yes, sir. Even you can't unmute yourself. Are you not in the surrounding where the studies is possible and I can hear the background voices? So how will you answer this question? So let me write these answers. That the gametes are the reproductive cells which participate in the process of reproduction. In sexual reproductions, gametes cells of both parents fuse together to form a zygote. Gametes of male and females are haploid in nature, are haploid in nature. Okay, gametes of male and females are haploid in nature. Means means they have half number of chromosome. They have half number of chromosome. Okay, so when they fuse together, they form they form when they fuse together, they form diploid zygote. Okay, and then after you have to draw that one. Okay, that you have to draw together. Thus this ensure thus half of the male parent and half of the, okay, means zygote which have 50% male chromosome and 50% female chromosome. Got it? So you have to answer this like this way. Okay, the question is this one. First of all, how equal genetic contribution of male and female parents ensure the ensuring progeny. So first of all, you can explain this one, or you can write this portion first. You can write this portion that gametes are the reproductive cells which participate in the process of reproductions. Okay, in sexual reproduction, gamete cells, okay, of both parent male and female fuse together to form a zygote. Gametes of male and females are haploid in nature, means they have half number of chromosomes. Okay, when they fuse together, they form a diploid zygote, which is going to have 50% male chromosome, okay, and 50% female chromosomes. Got it? Got it? Will you be able to answer this one now? Tell me fast.
Yes, sir.
Yubita,
Yes.
so you have to write it like this. Next question, let's deal with the next question. Just a minute. Next, case-based study question may be asked. So read this question number 34 first. Most obvious outcome of reproductive process. Read this one. Most obvious outcome Are you able to see this one? Question number 34.
Yes, sir.
Read this
Yes,
one.
sir.
Will you be able to answer the first question?
Yes.
This is very simple. Okay, so this is very simple. And how can you do this one? Tell me. So this is very simple answer that y of spring of human beings is not a true copy because the 50% characteristics is the male parents and 50% characteristics are female parents. So since the DNA of two parents are being involved, that's why it is not the exact copy. Okay, got it? Question number 2. While performing experiment of inheritance in plants, what is the difference in F1 and F2 generation? Tell me. Inheritance in plants. So what is the difference?
In
So we see that,
F1,
yes, on
in
inheritance,
F1 generation, tall plants.
yes, in F2 generation, the word for
Uh,
every 4 plants, you have to write it. Don't write it 4 plants were 3 plants were tall and one. For every, almost, you have to use word almost, almost for every 4 plants. Okay, 3 plants were tall, 3 were tall, and one was
short.
tall. Okay, so this is the and here. Why do we say that variation is useful for the survival of species over time? This is an important question. Why do we say that variations are useful for the survival of a species? So we know that why variation is important. So as you know that when the variations occurs, then the change will occurs. Okay, what you will write? When the variation occurs, then the change will occurs, and if the change occurs, then those change which is adaptable or which is suitable to the changing environment provide survival advantage. Not every variation is going to provide you the survival advantage. Those variation that is suitable to the environment is going to provide you the survival advantage. Okay, got it? So how will you write this one? How will you write this answer for this question? Tell me. So let's discuss this one. Okay, just a minute. Let's discuss this one. So here we need to note it down that how variations actually provide the survival advantage. So you know that whenever variation is taking place, okay, so you have to write it whenever reproduction take place, reproduction reproductions take place, variation occurs, okay, and and those variations that are that are suitable or that suits according to the nature, suits according to the nature. Okay, promote survival advantage. Okay, for example, you have to write the example here. For example, if we took the example here, let's suppose if we took the example of the, tell me, uh, let's suppose we are taking the example of red beetles and the green beetles. Okay, so for example, if there are there are some red beetles, red beetles, okay, and due to and due to variation, you can say that, and due to variation, okay, change, some of them become green color, green color, okay. Then this green color variation, green color variation, variation, okay, it is happening. So just a minute, just give me a minute, okay. Is I'm audible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Today I don't know why my laptop got stuck, okay, because it is heating so much. So just a minute. I don't know why it is heating so much. So have you written up to where have you written? Can you tell me, or should I need to read it?
So
With,
example.
for example,
Yeah.
okay, example. Just a minute. Is my screen is visible to you now?
No,
Not
sir.
screen is loading. Just a minute. Uh, Actually, I think I'm not the host, so that I'm not able to share my screen. Okay, and the team is just a minute. Just a minute. Otherwise, time is not so much left here today.